start with chapter 12, that is Indian culture heritage. So in this chapter, we will study about Jainism, and that is your Vardhman Mahavira. Right? So in this chapter, we will study about Jainism and Buddhism and their folk and tribal roots. Right? So in earlier chapter, we will learn to know how the later Vedic period got rigid in terms of caste system. So here, the new ideas, new religions in the name of Jainism and Buddhism emerged, and they did not support the Vedic practices or rituals and pioneered on non-violence. ये non-violence ज़्यादा फॉलो करते थे. If we talk about Jainism and Vardhman Mahavira, ये 24th and the last तीर्थंकर थे आपके जैनिज्म के. अगर हम सबसे पहले की बात करें तो कौन थे? फर्स्ट वॉज ऋषभनाथ, जिन्हें हम आदिनाथ कहते हैं. जो इनकी टीचिंग्स थी वो किसके बेसिस पे थी? जैनिज्म के बेसिस पे. ये आप कुंडग्राम, बसुकुंडा नियर वैशाली, बिहार. हिज फादर वॉज सिद्धांता, हेड ऑफ द लिच्छावी क्लैन, और मदर त्रिशाला थी, प्रिंसेस ऑफ वैशाली. महावीराज ओरिजिनल नेम वॉज वर्धमान. राइट, एज द एज ऑफ 30, जब वो 30 साल के थे, ही रेनाउंस्ड फैमिली लाइफ और वो एस्थेटिक बन गए. Right? What they become? They become ascetic. After 13 years, he attained Calvi or perfect knowledge, and he was called Jinnah. The conqueror of Mahavira, supreme hero, and Mahavira jo the, what they taught about Jainism in Prakrit and spread its principle of conquering anger, passion, greed, and ego. He passed away near Rajgir in 1527 BC. और किस एज में? 72 की एज है. So what are the teachings of Mahavira? ये ब्राह्मिकल जो ऑर्डर था उसके अगेंस्ट थे. Right? He propagated the freedom of cycle of birth and death. Right? आप अचीव कर सकते हो किससे? आपने 3 रत्न, that is 3 jewels, right belief, right knowledge, right action. Right action. So Jainism become popular religion. ये बहुत पॉपुलर हुआ और स्प्रेड हुआ उड़ीसा में, in the east of Gujarat, in the west, and even to the south to Karnataka and the Andhra Pradesh. Later what happened? Jain divided into 2 sects. Right? We have Digambars or sky clad or Svetambars or the white clad. Digambar did not wear clothes, whereas जो Svetambar थे वो क्या पहनते थे? White clothes पहनते थे. Right? Now Buddhism and the Gautam Buddha. So Buddhism is a belief system that developed in ancient India and did not follow the teaching of Vedas. And it was founded by Gautam Buddha. और गौतम बुद्ध का रियल नेम था सिद्धार्थ गौतम. And he was Kshatriya prince born in Lumbini, Nepal. Scholar estimated his birth year to be around 563 BC. और जिनके फादर थे उनका नाम था शुभोधना. Right? And was the chief of Shakya clan and the ruler of Kapilavastu. He lived a protective life in his palace. At the age of 29, he saw an old man, a sick man, and a dead body. ये 3 चीजों को देखते हैं. सबसे पहली बार देखा इन्होंने when he visited outside, and he also saw a peaceful ascetic. He experienced deeply affected him, and he decided to leave his palace. और उन्होंने डिसाइड करा कि हम अपने पैलेस को लीव करेंगे, अपनी वाइफ को, सन को, इन सर्च ऑफ ट्रुथ अबाउट सफरिंग. ही वेंडर लाइक एन एसेस्टिक फॉर 6 years. ठीक है, ऐसे ही रहे. 6 साल के लिए इन्होंने एनलाइटमेंट करा अंडर द पीपल ट्री नियर बोध गया इन बिहार. ही रियलाइज दैट इग्नोरेंस एंड अटैचमेंट कॉज ह्यूमन सफरिंग एंड द ट्री बिकम नोन एज बोधि ट्री. राइट, इसको हम बुद्धा मीनिंग द एनलाइटमेंट 1. बुद्धा बिगेन टीचिंग हिज आइडियाज, जिसमें आपका इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ अहिंसा, नॉन इंजरी एंड द वे टू एंड सफरिंग. एंड ही गिव हिज फर्स्ट सेरेमनी एट सारनाथ, जो कहाँ था? नियर वाराणसी. एंड दिस इवेंट इज कॉल्ड धर्म चक्र परिवर्तन. Right, which means setting the wheel of dhan in motion. Now teaching of Buddhas. 4 noble truth थे इनके. वो कौन से थे? World is full of suffering. Right? Suffering का कोई cause है, and the cause of suffering is desire. भाई हम कुछ, जब हम किसी चीज का desire करेंगे, ठीक है, इच्छा होगी तो वो हमें दुख पहुंचाएगा. And getting rid of desire and wants will lead to peace. So Buddha praised that the life of moderation or fine balance and the middle path or noble eightfold can lead a person to attain peace and happiness. जो middle path है उसका मतलब क्या होता है कि person should neither lead a life of absolute suffering nor live in total luxury. A balanced life would help a person to get freedom from the cycle of birth and death, and what he should attain moksha. Now if we talk about जो बुद्धा थे वो किस में बिलीव करते थे? कर्मों में. अ गुड एंड बैड एक्शन, वो आपके एक्शन पे डिपेंड होता था. अगर आप किसी के साथ अच्छा करोगे तो आपके साथ अच्छा होगा, और आप किसी के साथ बुरा करोगे तो आपके साथ बुरा होगा. तो we have right understanding, right action, right mindfulness, right intent, right means of livelihood, right concentration, right speed, and right effort. So the teaching of Buddha were based on moral values, universal love, non-violence, and his teaching were compiled with three pitakas, जिन्हें हम त्रिपिटाकास कहते हैं. That is Vinay Pitaka, Sut Pitaka और Abhinandan Pitaka. So story of Angulimala. So Angulimala, a highway robber, one day his guru asked him to make a necklace with the thumbs of 100,000 people he had killed. तो उन्होंने क्या करा, 1000 विक्टिम को वॉक करा और अंगुली बाबा जम्प ऑन हिम विद हिज डैगर एंड बट बुद्धा केप्ट ऑन वॉकिंग कामली. वो जब भी धीरे धीरे जाता रहा. नो मैटर हाउ फास्ट Angulimala ran, he was not able to catch up with Buddha. Finally, the exhausted Angulimala begged Buddha to stop running. वो कहते हैं कि रुको, भागो मत. Buddha replied, I have already stopped. It is you that has to stop now. कि मैं तो रुक गया हूँ, अब तुम्हें रुकना है. So Angulimala asked Buddha what he meant by that. कि इसका मतलब क्या है, वो पूछती है. So Buddha replied, I have stopped harming living beings, but you are still hurting and killing them. So she was ashamed, Angulimala was ashamed of his action, and he renounced the way, and what he became, वो एक Buddhist monk बन जाते हैं. Right? So let's talk about the folk and tribal roots. So India folk and tribal tradition, they are rich with oral stories, rituals, rites and art forms. जो किस पे based था? Which were based on oral stories, rituals और जो भी forms जो passed down हुई है from the generation, right? Tribal communities in India, although often misunderstood, have their own complex belief and they regard elements of nature as sacred. और यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है? They have maintained close-knit communities with their own language, custom and ritual. There has been a mutual influence between tribal religion and Hinduism, leading to a blending of beliefs and practices. So what happened? We have worship of deities, जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Doni Polo और Arunachal प्रदेश कहते हैं, which combines the sun and moon into single god. Other example जो थे वो छत्तीसगढ़, झारखंड के थे. Tribal people celebrate Harali festival, which is dedicated to worship of agriculture tools and cattle. So in northeastern state, जो tribal communities, what they do? They celebrate festival tied to harvest the natural elements. So we have interaction of culture. So Indian culture has always been melting pot of different influence over century. We have various communities that have interacted, enriched and evolved. So we have common thread in the deep rivers of nature, the search of truth and emphasis of non-violence. Long history of interaction जो है वो क्या सिंबलाइज करता है, किससे सिंबलाइज करता है? बैनियन ट्री से, राइट? जो आपके डीप इंटरवेंट रूट्स होती है इंडियन कल्चर की. जस्ट एज द ट्री हैड ब्रांचेस दैट ग्रो एंड स्प्रेड, इंडियन कल्चर इवॉल्व व्हाइल स्टेइंग कनेक्टेड विद एंशिएंट रूट. जो आपका कल्चर है वो किससे कनेक्टेड है? आपकी एंशिएंट रूट से, राइट? So this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.